Omicron variant is reaching its peak and starting to decline in Alabama. Just a few weeks ago, the state saw a nearly 50% positivity rate, and today it sits at 29% with less than 2,500 hospitalizations statewide. WDHN's Allison Polk joins us live in the newsroom with what the COVID-19 situation looks like here in the Wiregrass. Allison?
Sylvie, although the state is continuing to see a decrease in COVID-19 hospitalizations, Southeast Health is seeing their COVID count continue to climb.
The impact of the Omicron variant is slowly starting to decline as positivity rates continue to decrease and hospitalization numbers drop statewide. But the same cannot be said for the Wiregrass. Southeast Health reports over 100 COVID patients in the hospital on this day, and those numbers continue to climb.
We have not seen a consistent decline in the number of COVID patients that we have to care for. Elsewhere in the country, when the decline in patients with COVID occurs with the Omicron surge, it happens fairly quickly.
With a little more than 49% of Alabama's population vaccinated and some counties in the Wiregrass having the lowest vaccination rates in the state, it's hard to tell when those hospitalizations will start to decline.
Unvaccinated people are much more likely to develop serious illness from COVID and from the Omicron variant. Those people require hospitalization. Given the population of unvaccinated people here in Alabama and the Wiregrass, it's very difficult to say when the decline in our patients with COVID may happen.
Due to the high influx of COVID-19 patients, Southeast Health has had to take measures to keep up with the patient load by temporarily suspending elective surgeries and procedures. This is an issue that they continue to see, like many other healthcare facilities in the state.
Every hospital across Alabama is stretched because of that, and we're forced to manage that increased volume of patients. That's what's happening, and that's what's continuing to happen today.
As of right now, Geneva, Dale, and Coffee County have some of the lowest vaccination rates in the state, each of them sitting at a vaccination rate lower than the state average. Sylvie?